Good afternoon, our members on my channel, YouTube Snapshots in Arabic, لقطة اليوتيوب, with your teacher, Mr. Jamal شدني. And today, on the occasion of the autumn and the rainy days, we are going to learn a new word about a person who loves rain, or rain lovers, which is called, or we can name it, a pluviophile. Pluviophile, or in plural for people, pluviophiles are people who love rain and who are happy and loves being under the rainfall, and they take their joys, their happiness in these seasons, exactly in the rain. So today this is the word, and I can make an example. I'm a pluviophile. Are you a pluviophile? Thank you so much. Memorize this word, and we are going to discuss new words through days. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and share the video, and also leave a comment for further information. Take care and bye bye.